Hi, it's me, Trixie Mattel, and I'm just here styling a wig, and that way when showtime comes, I know the wig is secure. I need the same comfort and peace of mind online as I get on stage. Google Security Checkup makes it easy and fast to make sure that I'm safe and secure on the internet. It's a step-by-step tool that gives you personalized recommendations. I'm taking my checkup now. I'm insecure. In the time it takes for me to zhuzh up this little beauty, I can use the Security Checkup tool to make sure my personal private information stays personal and private. It turned me on to two-step verification. No, it's not a dance. It keeps your account safe even if your password is stolen. I also like that it checks the strength of my passwords and lets me know if I need to update any. Who would have thought 12345 is a very weak password? Thanks, Google. And just like that, I protected my identity in even less time than it took to change it. Who is she? Make sure you're staying safe online on Safer Internet Day and every day by visiting g.co/securitycheckup.